Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Myself Prem, and I'm studying in class 12. So let's discuss DCs and DRs, direction cosines and direction cosines and direction ratios. Okay. So in this chapter, let's discuss some LAQs. Okay. So first one, find the direction cosines of two lines which are okay which are connected by the relations L plus M plus N is equals to 0 and Mn minus 2 and L minus 2 Lm is equals to 0. Okay, so the given that L plus M plus N is equals to 0, then we can take L value as minus M minus N. Okay, this is first equation, and second equation is Mn minus 2nl minus 2lm is equals to 0. This is second equation. Now put equation 1 in 2. Okay, then Mn minus 2n into minus M minus N, okay, minus 2 into minus M minus N into M is equals to 0. Then mn plus 2mn plus 2n square and plus 2m square plus 2mn is equals to 0. Okay, upon simplification we can write as 2m square plus 5mn plus 2n square is equals to 0. Then 2m square plus 4mn, splitting middle terms, mn plus 2n square is equals to 0. Taking 2m common, then m plus 2n plus n taking common, then m plus 2n is equals to 0. M plus 2n into 2m plus n, okay, is equals to 0. Then m is equals to minus 2n or n is equals to minus 2m. Okay, now put m is equals to minus 2n in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1, then L is equals to minus of minus 2n minus n, then 2n minus n is equals to n. Okay, now ratio of L is to m is to n is nothing but L value is nothing but n, and m is nothing but minus 2n, and n is n only. Okay, n and n will get cancelled, then we get the ratio 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. Okay, minus 2 is to 1. Now the direction ratios, DRs, direction ratios of equation of this ratio. Okay, DRs of first line DRs of first line are 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, and let it be a comma b comma c. Now divide by root over a square plus b square plus c square, then we get 1 plus 4 plus 1, nothing but root 6. So now this is the DCs of first line. Okay, first line, okay, which is 1 by root 6 comma minus 2 by root 6 comma 1 by root 6. Okay, now let's go to second line, putting n is equals to minus 2. Put n is equals to minus 2 in minus 2m in equation 1. Okay, then L is equals to minus m minus of minus 2m, which is nothing but minus m plus 2m, which is L is equals to m. Now dr's, now we need to find ratio of L is to m is to n. So L ratio is m and m is m only, and minus 2m. Okay, minus 2m. Then the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to minus 2. Drs of first second line are 1 comma 1 comma minus 2, and dc's of second line are dividing by a square plus, it should be abc, a square plus b square plus c square is equals to root over 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equals to root 6. Then the dc's of second line are 1 by root 6 comma 1 by root 6 comma minus 2 by root 6. Okay. Like this we can find dc's and drs of the solution. Now let's go to second sum. Okay. Okay. So find the angle between the lines whose direction quotient satisfy the equation L plus m plus n is equals to 0 and L square plus m square minus n square is equals to 0. Okay. So they are given two equation m plus n is equals to 0, and one more equation L square plus m square, L square plus m square minus n square is equals to 0. They have given these two equations. So taking L is equals to minus of plus m plus n. Okay, minus of m plus n, let it be equation 1, and L square plus m square minus n square is equals to 0 is second equation. Now put 1 in 2, it is nothing but minus of m plus n whole square plus m square minus n square is equals to 0, which is m square plus n square plus 2mn plus m square minus n square is equals to 0. N square will get cancelled. Then 2m square plus 2mn is equals to 0. Taking m 2m common, then sorry, 2m rather. It is 2m. And then sending 2 to that side, then m square plus mn will be the equation. Now taking m as common, then m plus n is equals to 0. M is equals to 0 or m is equals to minus n. Okay, put m is equals to 0 in equation 1. Okay, then L is equals to minus of 0 plus n, which is nothing but minus n. Okay, now ratio of L is to m is to n is nothing but minus n is to 0 is to n, which is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 is dr's, minus 1 is to 0 is to 1. This is dr's, and for dc's, let it be a b c. So dc's divide by a square plus b square plus c square, which is nothing but 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is root 2. Divide by that, dc's is equals to minus 1 by root 2 comma 0 comma 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. So now this is the dc's and drs of first line, first equation. Now dc's and drs of second equation, second line. Okay, so now put m is equals to, put m is equals to minus n in 1, then L is equals to minus of minus n plus n, which is nothing but 0. Then ratio L is to m is to n, which is nothing but 0 is to minus n is to n, then 0 is to minus 1 is to 1 is the ratio. Now drs are nothing but 0 comma minus 1 comma 1, and for dc's let it be abc divided by a square plus b square plus c square, then 0 plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but root 2. So dc's are nothing but 0 divided by 2 is 0, 0 comma minus 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. This is the final answer. Okay, now we need to find the angle. Let theta be the angle between the lines. Then we know this formula: cos theta is equals to mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Okay, then mod of 1 by minus 1 by root 2 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1 by root 2. Okay, 0 into minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2, which is nothing but 0 plus 0 plus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Therefore cos theta is equals to pi by 3. Okay, sorry, theta value will be sending cos to that side. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 3. This is the final answer. That's it, guys. I hope you all guys understand. Thank you. If anyone has doubts, please comment.